What's up, people? So, most of y'all know that I've been in the fashion game for about 8 years now. But the one hardest thing for me to find are shirts that fit my body well. My frame, my height, my size, my length, everything. But I found a company called Fresh Clean Tees. Ordered a couple things, which should be here in the morning. Once it comes in, I'm gonna put them on, see how they fit on my body, and let y'all know if it's a go or not. Cool? All right.
Le shooting.
Let's go see who's at the door. Come on. They keep ringing. Package should be here by now. Oh, this ringing for nothing. What? Oh, there it goes. All right, so getting started, I'm a fan of these products, man. They sit real nice on your body, especially on your arms, and that's a big thing for me. Also, I'm 6'6", 220 pounds. So they really fit my body and my curves, my athletic curves really well. Some things to point out. These shirts don't have any logos on them and they're tagless in the inside. Oh, and I made sure to put these shirts in the wash before I put them on and they held up nice. When you go on their website, you're gonna notice they have a lot more options when it comes to their designs and their colors. And they are subscription based. And what that means is you choose your favorite tee, you choose how often you want to receive that item, and once you subscribe, you save 10%. That easy. Last but not least, their tees come in packs of 3s or 5s, and it's also a unisex brand. All right, as I go on this happy trail, I'm gonna leave you guys with 3 things. I need you guys to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to Fresh Clean Tees YouTube channel. If you do all 3, you'll be entered to win a contest to win 1 year's worth of free products, okay? Do those, you're good to go. That's it. Till next time, later.